Hello guys. Welcome back to a new video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own Baldi basics decompile. So let's get started. To install Unity. We click on the download button, and we download it. I already downloaded it, so I don't have to configure it. Once you complete the configuration, you should end up with this open. You need to install a version of Unity. I already installed one. Once you finish it, you need to create a project. You need, of course, set the project entered and name it. Click on Create Project. And here we go, we created the project. Now you will need to install the decompiled version of Baldi Basics. We have all the files. Now we need to drag those files to the project. You will have to restart the project to get the files. And we got everything set up. We need now to configure the project to play.
Oh,
As you can
hi.
see, I can't move.
Welcome to my schoolhouse.
We have to set up the mouse keys. Do exactly the same thing as me. We also need to connect all the scenes together. And there we go, you have your Baldi's Basics decompiled already.
Hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite.
Ask me anything in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.